What's up, everybody? So I'm gonna try to make like a ground beef kind of Mexican platter tray. My buddy of mine just came over and brought me some homemade salsa, so I am like super stoked in trying this out. We're gonna use that today. All right, here I have a pound of ground beef, my sharp cheddar. I'm gonna mince some of this garlic up. I have some cilantro, some green onions, and some jalapenos. And we're gonna try to get this all going here in just a moment. So I chopped up my garlic, chopped up some green onions, and just a little bit of jalapeno. We're gonna take all that with a little bit of butter, throw it on a pan, get that stuff nice and cooked up here. Now for our meat, I'm gonna use a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, some cumin, just a little bit of some liquid smoke. We're gonna put it all in our bowl here and get this stirred pretty good. Cumin kind of goes a long way, a little goes a long way. So basically this is how it looks before you even stirred it in. So just like a little bit of everything, not too much. You don't want to overpower the flavors. I went ahead and just shredded a little bit of sharp cheddar in here. Like I said, not too much. You can kind of tell by how much I did here. And then we're gonna check on our stove right now. After about 5 minutes or so, this is the kind of consistency I'm looking for. I'm gonna take this off the burner, leave the burner on, and we're gonna throw this into our mix of meat. It's added in here. We can go ahead and stir and mix this in. I would use my hands normally, but as I'm using the camera, I'm just gonna kind of use a spoon here. And we'll go ahead and just mix this, stir it, flip it, and just kind of really get everything mixed in together. Now that I have everything mixed up, we're gonna go ahead and start cooking this. So we get it all in our pan, get it nice and broken up, and I'm just gonna cook this on maybe 10 minutes. See how it goes from there. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare one of these tortillas and one of these cheese wraps. You don't have to use a cheese wrap. I guess any cheese will do, but I kind of like how they fully encompass these. So I'll show you here in just a second. So basically I just go ahead and put this right in the middle, right on top of the tortilla. I use a little bit of this chipotle, and I just kind of put a little bit in there, and then we're gonna fold this right in half, like that. Pat it down, and we're gonna save that until our meat's done. Almost done. Sorry for the noise here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of drain a little bit of the meat, and then we're gonna throw it right back on. Perfect. So the meat's done. So I'm gonna turn the heat down just a little bit. We're gonna empty all of this into a bowl, and then we're gonna use this pan again for our tortilla. Okay, so pan back on. We threw in a tablespoon of butter, and then we're just gonna go ahead and put our tortilla down. Let this cook for, I don't know, a couple minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and flip it and do the same thing. Now, 4 minutes later, this guy is done on both sides. We're going to take it off the stove, and I'm going to go ahead and cut some of these like a pizza slicer, and I'm going to make 4 slices. So, looks like this is it. We're all done. We topped it. I added a little bit of cilantro on top, some of my buddy's salsa here, some sour cream, a little bit of avocado. I shredded up some lettuce, and then here is our quesadilla. So you can see it's nice and gooey in the inside and nice and crispy on the out. And that's a wrap. That's going to be dinner for tonight. Like I said, not too hard to make, super tasty, super keto friendly. The tortillas are 6 net grams of carbs. So, I mean, really, you're not eating much here. You need about 7 or 8 max total for this dinner. And this can make, with the ground beef, you can serve a 1/4 pound each. So this could easily serve 4 people. Alright guys, so I am out of here. I am going to go mow down and then clean up this little mess I have left. So again, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.